What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. Guys, for today's video, we are going to be making an energy booster juice. So let's go ahead, let's switch gears, let's get into the ingredients, let's get into the benefits, and let's juice. Peaches improve iron, which in turn increases energy. Cucumber has both carbs and vitamin B, which counter feelings of fatigue, and carrots have low glycemic levels, also leading to improved energy. All right, you guys, so I'm all set juicing, and at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna get into this juice, okay? Here we go. Wow, guys, I kid you not, all of the flavors blend so perfectly with this one. And again, it is an energy booster, but the taste, the flavor also is a slam dunk. Thanks a lot.